Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Nooza and Palooza. He couldn't be here today. He's off with our cousin, doing, I don't even know. But, if you haven't guessed by the title, today we're going to be creating a mob grinder. Now, this is a 100% working mob grinder. I promise you, it is. But I'm gonna go here real quick. You don't have to do this, just doing this for the video. Okay, so whenever you start a new world or whatever, you're probably gonna be like, man, I'm probably gonna need to start a mob grinder or something. So in this video I will teach you how to make one. I probably should have went to a flat world, but I really don't care. Dude, come on, load. Okay, so for today's video, yes, we are making a mob grinder, 100% working mob grinder. Now, I suggest not creating this in a snow biome, because the water used in this will be it will turn to ice. So let's get started. You can use any block you want. I'm just gonna use cobblestone as an example. You need cobblestone or any other block that you choose, and water. That's it. What you want to do is you want to make a 2 by 2, and you make it high enough for them to die. Now, 23 blocks is when your regular Minecraft character is at half a heart. Now, if you want to go up to 25, you can, but most people, if you want to be sure, just go up 30. So this is 1. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now, in survival mode, this will take a lot of blocks, I know, but trust me, it's worth it. This is barely the beginning. So I go all the way down here and build it like that. This is how you build it in creative mode. I mean, you can build it like this in survival, but the flying is like not in survival unless you turn cheats on or whatever. Yeah, so 30 blocks high just to be sure. If you want, you can, I'm pretty sure it'll work at 25 blocks, but trust me, this is a 100% working mob spawner. Okay, so once that's done, if you want, you can go down here and cut this part out, or if you want, you can just cut this part out, but this is so you can have a door. Let's see, a door, which door? I like the dark oak door. They're really fancy. So yeah, if you want to put a door there, I mean, because they'll fall, come in, grab their supplies, get out. But to make it look, if you have like major OCD and you have it look pretty, just do this. That's what fixed my OCD. So yes. Okay, so this is the chute that they fall down to die. Now, here comes the better part. Okay, so you want to make this 8 wide not including this block. Including this block, it's 9. So, oh, that was lag. What the heck? Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you want to put that there. And you gotta do the same for this side. Now, why you want to do that is because whenever you place the water here, it's gonna go all the way down here and stop on this block. Now, I know you'll be like, but Nuza, it'll just fall this way. Don't worry, guys, I'm getting to that. I promise. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. And do that. And okay, there you go. Yeah, oh, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, not 10. There. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so once you do that, you just come up here and do that. No, I'm just kidding. You don't have to do this. It is really fun. It's kind of like a helicopter propeller. You don't have to do that. But, next you want to do this. Place that there. And then do 1, 2, 3, 4. So from here to here is 5 blocks. So you just want to place that there and go 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want, you can go ahead and just take those off. But just for my sake, I'm gonna keep them on. Okay, so you want to do that with all 4 of them. So you want to place this here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the reason it's 4 is I'll get to it later, but it builds it properly. So it yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so hang on, guys. I need to take a drink. Sorry about that. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 out. Oh wait, is it 8? Yeah, it's 8. So it connects them in a square. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7, 8. But yeah, so you want to connect them in a square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like that. And trust me, this is worth it. I promise you. So once you do that, yeah, it kind of looks like a better, more efficient propeller, but trust me. So if you want, you can do it like this, where you fill this side all the way to there. This is how I first did it. You can do it like that. You can do it like this, and then turn around, do the same thing on this side. Or you can do this. Like that, you could do that too. And then fill it in, of course. But yeah, I'll show them again. So yeah, so you can either do it like this, and do like this, that way. Yeah, That way, you kind of know that it's perfect. You kind of just know that that's perfect. Or you can do it like this. You can just go it out like this, like this, and that's kind of like a better way to know it's perfect. But the other way, you kind of fill it in as you go, so it's kind of faster, I guess. So you're probably like, but Nuzo, what about the other 4 parts? What if the stuff falls in there? Don't worry, I'm getting to that. You gotta do this. You just gotta fill that in. You can fill it in however you want. If you want to go under here, fill it. That's up to you. But I'll show you what it looks like underneath whenever I'm done. I promise. Okay, so hang on. Crap. Forgot to turn on host privileges. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, son, where are you? Okay. Wow. Alright, let's just wait a second so I can get this over with. Okay, I'm just gonna keep building for now. But you just gotta fill it in. Seriously, oh my god. Okay. Okay, sorry about this, guys. Okay, sorry about that. I'm kinda hoping I didn't put it on peaceful, cause that would suck. If it did, guys, I'm really sorry. But I would have to like go out of the world real quick. But I hope you guys don't hope you guys don't mind if that happens. I'm really sorry. But see this entire video.
Yeah.
Dang it. I'm making a video, go away.
Take my charger.
I didn't.
Where's it then?
Okay.
See, I knew you took it.
I told you I did. But so I'm just gonna go make sure I did put it not on peaceful, on like hard or something. Doesn't matter what you put it on, as long as it's not a mistake I did of yeah. Oh, okay, easy. So I'm just gonna put on hard mode so they spawn faster. But yeah. So as long as it's not on peaceful, this mob spawner works, I promise. Okay. So once you're done doing that, you go up, make sure they're all even. That's the design on the top. What do you want to do? You want to put this... Hey, Palooza, say hi.
What's up, you guys?
Yeah, like I said, he wasn't here earlier, but now he is. Yeah. And so you just want to place these 2 waters.
Oh,
one there, one there, one there, one there. And as you can see, it goes to the very tip. It doesn't flow in, but it goes to the tip. So if you do it right, it'll work. So you want to do this for all sides. 1, 2, and then 1, 2. You just knocked the camera down.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, camera. I'm really sorry for that.
That's
guys,
not, no, I'm talking. Yeah.
Guys, please don't hurt me.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Shh.
Okay, so then you place them in each corner. Oh, why is it...
Lag.
That lag spike keeps happening. Like, it happened once before. You can ask them. They'll tell you. So as you can see, nothing flows in, and everything's perfect.
Did you build all of that on camera? All the cobblestones?
Yes. Yes.
Wow, Josh.
And then, why? I don't have your phone. Pause it. And the guy I watched do this didn't show the building on camera, so I had to figure it all out by myself. He just showed the outline. No. I'll put the video of him in the description. Okay, but you guys are probably... Whoa, what the heck is that?
So are you done?
No. Every time I look over there, it like... Okay.
Jungle temple. No, I'm kidding.
Okay, so this, of course, I'm not done, guys, because that'd just be stupid to leave this in broad daylight and everything. What you want to do is you want to make a wall. So it needs to be 1, 2, 3 high. Now you guys are probably like, no, 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 no. If it's 3 high, you'll have built a roof like this and everything, and Enderman won't spawn. Well, no, you don't want Enderman spawn. First of all, immediately go in water, teleport, or they'll rip up blocks. Like every freaking block is gone for no reason. You take that block out, and then you have a freaking water disaster pouring down like that. You don't want that. You really don't want that. So yes, 3 blocks high. You just build the roof and stuff. And yes, I have to do this on camera. I'm sorry, guys. But
I don't know how much space I have. Grab my phone!
Oh.
It's in the car, it's in the car, it's in the car. Excuse me, sorry, guys. Dad, don't leave.
Okay. Sorry about this, guys. This is gonna take a while, but I'm really sorry about this, guys. Please don't hate on me. But I'm trying to make it go faster, I promise. Okay, I'm really sorry, guys. I don't mean to, like, waste your time with all this building, but trust me, if you watch, it's worth it.
Ow. I'm dying. You guys, help me, I'm dying. I'm still like, I'm not bald.
Stupid
So you got that
chum.
prong out.
That what?
Prong.
No, that was Dustin.
How to get it out?
I don't know, ask him. Yeah, we had Palooza's charger prong. It broke off of his charger port, or whatever it's called, the thing that you plug into the wall.
It's called the charger port.
Yeah, and it broke and it's got stuck in the wall. Now, see right there, mobs can't go against the current because they're stupid, but they will eventually walk off the ledge and just fall, and then, boom, dead. Now,
How many blocks is that? 24?
no, it's 30, just to be sure. I already explained that to them.
Okay.
But I'll show you how to make this an automatic thing instead of having to go in and grab the stuff and everything.
Yeah.
No spoilers, John. You probably could figure it out.
Yeah, I probably could.
But my friend Michael, he showed me this automation trick, and he's really good with redstone, but it's a good thing this doesn't involve redstone because I know...
I sent it to Wiley.
Wow. Because I know how many people are really bad at redstone, because I'm one of those people. Like I said, I'm really sorry, guys, to bore you with all this building and stuff.
How do you spell infamous?
Why?
Because I need to spell it.
INFAMOUS. No one said that, John. You are really bad at listening.
No, I just don't flip and spell when you do it.
FAMOUS. Listen.
You're going too fast. Slow down.
Famous.
Infamous.
Yes, infamous. Oh my god, not infamous.
In.
There's no in there. Oh, there you go.
If you would spell it slower.
I already said the I in
Spell
part.
it slower.
Can you not do this, John?
Spell it slow, Josh.
Wait. Okay. There you go, guys. Look it up on Google.
Dude, just tell me how to spell the stupid thing.
Just wait a second. Okay, so once that's done, they're gonna start spawning in there, and they're gonna start falling. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to get a lot of torches, and I know what you're gonna say, but torches make stuff despawn. Well, you don't want stuff spawning in here at all, because they won't be able to die. So, hang on. Settings, graphic.
Always have my game up.
Yeah, I know, but it wasn't.
It's Palooza here.
Why are you watching a video on a video? Okay, so nothing has spawned yet, but trust me, they will. They just haven't yet, and I know why. But is it? Can I? What? Okay. Hang on, guys. I gotta do something. Exit and save. Yeah, okay. Come on. Hurry up. Okay. There we go. Okay. Just gotta wait for it to stop being stupid. Okay, there we go. Okay, so if it was, say it was nighttime, okay, you really don't want stuff to spawn up here because first of all, it makes it a less chance of them spawning in there, and you don't want to be able to just climb all the way up here and kill some things. So you just want to place torches like seriously everywhere on this thing.
Or just where they can spawn.
Or just, well, you can't really tell on the Xbox, John. You can barely tell. Yeah, you just want to do this. You practically, you just want to place them everywhere. You know, if you're in survival, you better get a lot of torches, because it really does take a lot of torches. If your gamma's really up, you can kind of, you can kind of tell where the torches need to be placed. Because it's kind of like a purple. If you can see that on my screen, it's kind of like, the darkness is purple.
How do you spawn these up?
In OOZZAA.
OOZZAA.
INFAMOUS. Okay. So, let's make sure. Yep. No, wait, there's one more. Okay, so that's pretty good. They're not gonna spawn up there. And if you want, you can go ahead and just light this place down here up. Just because, you know, because you can and stuff. You just light it up, light. Oh, there's a creeper. Hello, creeper. You just want to do this because you really want to for no reason.
Doesn't really matter. Don't do it, guys. Don't do it, guys.
Well, it doesn't look right if it's all dark for no reason. There is a reason.
What's the reason?
Because you want it to be bright.
I want my face.
You don't really have to put this many torches. I'm just doing this for fun.
I want my face to be bright. My face is bright. Where's my face?
Your face is kind of bright because you're really smart. Technically, if you're smart, you're bright. So your face is bright, John. Wow, stupid zombie. You're not supposed to spawn here, you're supposed to spawn up there.
Walk in there and see if anything's died yet.
Okay, so nothing has died yet, and I'm gonna go see if there's anything. Nope, not yet. Okay, I know how to fix this. First we're gonna make it daytime first, and then so let's say hi. Okay, you better get out of the water. No, get out of the water. Okay, there you go. Okay, so what you want to do is you kind of want to step away, like a good ways away. I suggest stepping away until you can't see it, but you don't have to go that far. Right here is good. So if you want, you just make it night or whatever, and then you just wait like maybe 1 or 2 minutes, maybe 30-ish seconds. Let's see if we can see anything falling from here. And oh, you have to worry about spiders because they'll catch the wall sometimes, so they may not die. Okay. Now let's go see if anything has really died. Nope. Oh, a zombie died. As you can see, stuff are spawning, and
hit the creeper off, and
they'll just walk right into the water. Because we all know they can't spawn in the water. But he's trying to fight it, but he really can't. So, he falls, and then he dies. But if you want, you can like build a ladder up here and push them off, but they'll fall off eventually. Wait, what? No, creeper, you're supposed to get in the water. I'm sorry, dude. Okay, so they'll fall, and you can just like stand in here and wait for them to fall and everything. But I suggest doing this. Is you kind of dig a little hole. Okay, I'm gonna like, yeah, we're there. Turn it to day.
So mob spawning is off?
Yes. Well, no, you don't have to have it like that. But you wanna, oh crap.
Mr. Dummy Dummy, Mr. Dummy. Dude, you have the door here.
I know. I'm going for the sand. Dummy.
Josh is a dummy dumb little.
No. Okay. So, I don't really know exactly how he did this, but I'm pretty sure I did. Okay, wait. Okay, yeah, that's the problem with the sand thing. Yeah, so you really want to build in a desert. That's your choice. Not a very good choice, but it's your choice. But so you just want to like dig this out if you want to make a tunnel, so you can like put a door over there or something. But let's like
You said it, not me.
I don't even know why I said. Okay, so what you want to do is, if you haven't figured it out, you gotta go in here. Just grab some hoppers and some chests. So you place this here.
No, don't hold don't look at. Are they supposed to be into the wall?
What? No, they're not supposed to be in the wall.
Replace them.
Why?
Because they're facing the wall. If you put the chests where those 2 cobblestone are.
Those are trap chests. Wrong chest, sorry guys. Where's the real chest? Okay, they're right here. Okay.
Place the chests there and then place the hoppers. Because if you do the hoppers first, then it doesn't. See, they're still going into the wall for some reason. Nope, still in the wall. Dude, hold shit. Hold shift and then place them on top of the chest.
That doesn't work on this, John.
Yeah, if you're standing on cobblestone, it works.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Right,
Let's
no,
see, did that work? Yeah, that
yes,
works.
okay, that works.
Okay, so, yeah. So then, just place another, chest-ish right there. What? I don't even know what you're doing.
You don't know what I'm doing? Because you can't see. Oh!
That do not make any sense. Okay, so yeah, put this chest here, then you put, just gotta be sure, there, and then it's automatic. You like do this, and you like dig down there if you want. That way you can come in here. Come in
It'll
here.
look like a whole thing around the whole thing.
Come in here. Look in the chest. And then there. Very good. So that is the like the full kind of, I guess. Hang on.
If it was fully auto, then you wouldn't have to walk to it. It would just give it to you.
Yeah, I know. The semi-automatic mob grinder. So if you want, you can like patch that up with the building, but whenever you go in here, and then that. Why?
Because if you have mobs outside, it's less of a chance for them to spawn inside that building.
Well, they were already outside, John.
Really?
That thing
That's an
invisible?
Yes, that's an invisible spider. Did you make it invisible?
No.
Oh yeah, I forgot. There's like the new update thing. They can spiders can spawn with a random potion or whatever.
They spawn with damage or healing. Okay, so hang on. I gotta kill these guys first, because then it'll work. Hard mode is not very recommended because they'll just spawn everywhere. But yeah, they're everywhere.
Get those crits, bro.
Critical. Okay, so yeah. Stupid spider. Okay, so and then it works. Okay, so set night. Go ways away. And then you wait a little bit.
Dude, do the glitch with your skin. Look up.
Oh yeah, that. Okay. So then, go back in there if you want. And go see if they're in there. And they're not in here. Come on, moms, you gotta spawn for me. It's on hard mode, so it should work. As you can see, there's no mobs up here. What?
Because you put so many torches everywhere.
Okay, I get it, John. You can stop that. It's annoying. And then, if you want
XP.
XP, yeah. So you just look in these chests. Nothing yet.
Why XP?
I don't know. If you like watching things die, you can just like stand down there, or just watch it.
Just spawn mobs to demonstrate it.
Okay, I'll spawn. Why didn't you say that? Okay, so, zombie, spider, skeleton, creeper. Okay, so, couple zombies, couple spiders, couple skeletons, some creepers. Okay, see, I accidentally placed something. So, they'll fall, and then they'll all die. They'll just, okay, see what I was talking about? The spiders, they catch the wall. And then they don't die. And all their mob droppings go into the hoppers, and then they go into the chest. Okay, that guy actually might not die.
He will.
Okay. So, couple spiders everywhere. Zombies like to have fun. That is really annoying. See, it's spiders. They catch the walls. Sometimes they will fall and die. But or they'll do that. That's also why there's a door. And close that door.
See, look how efficient it is.
So, okay.
So look, I just saw a spider die.
Yeah. So, if you look in the chest, all the mob droppings go in here.
See, it's so efficient.
It is efficient. It works. It just wasn't working for some reason.
My chick brings her the bus to the and then
But see, they'll just walk right off for no reason. Like creepers, they just walk off. I've seen them walk off. Come on, someone walk off for me. See, they're right there. Well, they just walk off.
I'm just like, there's water here. Oh, look at the creeper. Oh, all at once. It's a death mosh pit. Other than that.
As you can see, they're stupid spiders. But the only downside to this mob grinder is you don't get the XP that they drop. Sorry about that, but it's
well, if you're smart, you'll look up the best, most efficient XP farm in the world.
Don't give them ideas to get away from our channel.
No, it's a cool little channel using the Ender Dragon as XP.
Okay, so as you can see, I don't know if there's a good chance of getting a rare mob dropping.
Like
what do you
iron.
Mean? Like iron, carrots, potatoes.
Spawn more creepers.
You might get a bow or something. I don't know. I haven't gotten one myself. But
No.
No. But they'll die. And I can do that. Because they're all gonna die. Okay.
And it's just like hold the creeper button on the water. The creeper spawner on the water. Kill that fucking spider.
But
hold the creeper.
they just walk right off.
Hold the creeper button in the water.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
Spawn creepers in the water.
Yeah, I'm not spawning creepers in the water. They'll think I'm just making stuff up and just spawn them in the water. I'm not spawning in the water. You can come up here and push them though if you really want to, but
no, because you're in creative mode.
Well, that would be
in
a
survival
bad.
mode. They would attack you.
Well, you could just like if this is like an empty platform, they'll just like chase you and then fall in the water.
No, I know a more efficient way to do it is you could have like a dispenser that you click a button and it dispenses water and it pushes everything on the edges into the water and then it puts it gets the bucket of water back So you can just click the button and it'll force everything to go in the water.
That's true, but this way is really, it's kind of efficient.
My face is efficient.
That,
See, look at it.
That doesn't, John, efficient means fast. Good.
My face is good.
Okay. Zombies everywhere. Oh, baby zombie.
Look at baby zombie. Look at baby zombie. Dude, go down there and see how much gunpowder you have.
Chainmail.
He'll die, okay? Just shove him in there. I want to see if he dies. Go down there. Go down there. Go down there and see if he dies.
Not until it's the maximum.
Go down, dude.
Maximum.
He's right.
He died.
And yeah, you do get the XP.
And you don't always get the XP.
Don't pick up all your XP. Oh, you're really good. Quit. Dude, the video's over with.
No, it's not. Not yet. Not until I find out everything that I know. You don't always get the XP. And it doesn't always fall in either, but...
No, it doesn't. You just put down that.
Okay, well, it always falls. 25 flesh. 21 gunpowder. 21 gunpowder. 21 gunpowder. Okay. Enderman. I must for the video. I must show them how to kill an Enderman. Bruh. You take your diamond sword and you smack him right in the frickin' face because he doesn't like you. That was my fault the door was open. See, that's why you don't really need doors.
Oh, you do. Wait, Josh, let me try.
No.
Try. Let me try, John.
All you do is this. You don't even need the doors because that's what this is for. Bruh. And then you could take this and do that. Okay, hang on.
Oh, Jeff.
Do it. Bruh.
Oh, you can't.
Ah, see?
Jump.
See? Ah!
That's just a waste of ender pearls.
Well, I don't know why they would use their ender pearls anyway.
Ah!
Yay! Awesome glitches. Oh
no.
Crap. Well, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. It has been Nusa and he got here late. But see you next time. See you guys next time, because there will always be a next time. Goodbye.
No, we're dead. I'm gonna die now.
Goodbye.
Bye. No, I'm kidding. I'm not gonna die.